G'day, Only the Young bass tutorial. Here we go, 5 notes. 3rd string, down. This is your D. We're in the key of D. Next, down to the A. All open strings, down to the E. That's your open string. Then G, which is your bottom string, 3rd fret. So E, F, F sharp, G. Each fret, which is these little boxes, moving up a semitone. Those are your 4 first notes, and later on we're going to do a B, but let's just try those 4 notes. Open string, open string, open string, 3rd fret, same string. The notes are D, count for 4, A, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 3rd fret is G. That's it. That's it for the verse, chorus, verse, with just like you just got a 4 bar, like a 1 bar count of D between the chorus and then the second verse. Your bridge goes straight into B, and the way to do it, this is the A string, so if each fret is a semitone, let's go A sharp, B, that's your B. So in the bridge, after we've gone to from the G to the B, they aren't gonna help us, to the G, back to B. They aren't gonna change this. So another B and then a G. They think that it's over. Down to E, so open string. G and then A. Do G and then your open string A, but you've gotta stop it. G, stop, A, stop. So you'll notice the G and the A, 2 counts only each. That's the only time in the song that any bass note goes for less than 4 counts. Alrighty.